Hi, and welcome to the 10 Square Meter Workshop. Recently I've noticed on YouTube that several channels that deal with woodworking and workshops, such as this one, talk about the CNC machine they bought a year or two ago and has never appeared since. And they've said that really it was the wrong purchase, it wasn't for them. And I can understand that, they aren't for everyone. However, what surprised me was that some people, especially in the comments, linked 3D printers in with them and said there was no place for them in a woodworking workshop. I beg to differ, and I thought I'd spend this video looking at some of the things I've built for my workshop using a 3D printer. Coming up after this. I have covered this before, but in the 15 months since, my printer has produced a lot more parts. I've used my 3D printer to make all sorts of things that I couldn't really make any other way. And it starts with the simple things, such as storage bins. Component trays are a good start. Here's my screws, and the boxes I printed to match commercial boxes. As you can see, they're a simple shape, with an area moulded in to take a label. And also, that gives you something to hold to pull them out. Here are some other trays I made to hold lathe tools. Keeps them tidy. And screwdriver bits, whatever you need to keep together. Moving on to tool storage. Dedicated trays for parts for my drill, and clips to hold batteries, and slide-on slots. Not forgetting drill bits. It makes everything neat and tidy, and you know when something's missing. Moving on, file handles. Gone are my dirty and tatty wooden handles. These are really comfortable to use. And then of course there's clamps and jigs. Designed to fit in an MFT table, this particular clamp tightens into the hole, and then you can use it to clamp anything. Another area is equipment boxes. This I 3D printed to hold the controls for my milling machine. It moves the X-axis. When I converted my lathe to 3-phase power, this is the control box I printed. I couldn't have bought one to fit this space. I wanted an electronic power supply that fitted into a quite tight space, so this is the case for it. And this is the adjustable stand I made for working on circuit boards. A case for my workshop dust monitor. And no job is too small. Inserts for knobs, so they look a bit tidier. Ever struggled to find a dust hose adapter for a machine? It's easy when you can print them. Not only that, but you can make dust gates like this one. Or completely automated gates like this one. Notice the complex manifolding. And of course you can print flexible dust collection tubes like this one. Toggles, bearing covers, hose ends, feather boards using flexible material, radius routing guides. I recently bought this Bosch 12-volt planer, and very good it is too. But it doesn't have a dust extractor as such, it just has a deflector. They will sell you one, but they rush you 10 quid for it. And it has a different coupling to the rest of my kit. So I 3D printed one. Slots in as normal, and it takes the same hose as my other equipment. Or I can use the Bosch dust bag. Great fit. I also made my own joining parts for furniture. Running costs are quite low too. A 1 kilogram reel of plastic costs you about £16–17. And PLA is made from cornstarch and it's biodegradable, so it's a green choice too. Almost all the things in this video are featured in my other videos to greater depth. Why not check them out? Indeed, why not subscribe? That's all for this time. Bye for now.